Firstly, I'm adding different colors to the paper. The color should be a bit thick. You can use paint from the tin, but if your paint from the tin is not very easy to rehydrate when it dries, you may want to use tube color instead. Now I'm adding red, yellow, blue, and rose to the background. Try to position them here and there without making them too tidy, trying not to put two complementary colors too close together or touching each other. Now I'm using a clean watery brush to blend out these colors like this. I'm actually painting this step very quickly in real time, but I have slowed it down for this step so you can see the process clearly. As there are multiple colors to paint on the dry paper, you may be thinking some of them have already dried a bit, so might be difficult to blend with other colors already. But don't worry, there's no need to blend all the colors, and even blends sometimes make the final outcome even more natural. To neutralize the whole painting and balance the color's brightness, I'm adding some brown colors to the bottom of the paper before the paper dries. Now the background's done, make sure it's 100% dry, and then we can start painting the foreground flowers. First, we can add some dots to the paper, and then extend the petals using a clean watery brush. After painting the 5 petals, we can use a dry clean brush to leave off some of the color, while being left with an outline which distinguishes the flower from the background. If you worry about painting an undesirable shape when extending the petals, an easy tip is to extend the petal first and then refine the shape using the same brush. We can utilize this second time of painting to lift some colors as well. In this way, we can create some gradients and make the petals more natural. Another thing worth mentioning is that we may want to use bright colors for the foreground flowers and avoid overlapping complementary colors when painting on the background. As you can see, when I paint these flowers, I generally avoid the most saturated parts of the background. Having said that, there is no right or wrong way, but this is just an easy way to control the color's outcome.